Hope I'm not interrupting you, lovebirds.
Morning. That's my favourite girl.
Still dying.
She turned on the hot water when I was in the shower this morning, and she's eating all the bread. Thought living with Mandy was bad.
So you're saying she was normal then?
If obnoxious is normal, I know she may never approve of us, but if she knew about your situation...
No way. I already made my dad's death about me.
You missed his funeral because you were ill.
Cindy, let me do this my way, please.
Fine, but I'm keeping the bread in our bedroom.
Like it? Remember, everything's ethically sourced. That is 100% recycled cotton.
Like I'd wear anything second-hand.
Did you hear that?
Oh, it's probably your mum smashing up my things. What's happened?
It's Mum, she's fallen.
The testosterone in that office is too much. I've left the boys arguing about who has the biggest hard drive. Didn't fancy a romantic morning with Diane, then?
I left her in bed. She's been up all night with the baby kicking her. What a day yesterday, eh? Her new house. Feels like a fresh start.
So she hasn't said anything to you?
Et alors? Tarte au citron, macaron et pain au chocolat.
Thank you. I'm sure they'll go down a great treat with the doctors and nurses.
Well, it's important that we support those on the front lines.
Hey, Joel. Just finessing the final menu. Don't worry, all food will be delivered promptly.
Cheers. Tony's generously providing 50 free meals for the hospital staff.
All got to do our bit, haven't we?
I mean, you must have noticed that she hasn't been herself lately. Remember how she bit my head off about that pushchair? And all that cleaning? I mean, I took her some flowers this morning, and she marched them straight outside to quarantine.
That's pregnant women for you. They're many dictators with flatulence.
Tony, I'm serious. I wasn't going to tell you this, but when I went back to the flat yesterday, she'd covered the whole place in cling film and plastic sheets.
What?
Yeah. It was like a anti-Thunberg art installation or something. Claimed it was to stop contamination.
Well, she was fine when we was at the park.
She practically ran home after the ceremony. I'm telling you, something weird's going on. And you need to find out what.
Joël! Joël, arrête! And there you go. Oh, dear. I think you're going to need a taxi for all of these. You didn't think that was all I was going to offer, did you? Tut, 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 Joël.
Listen to that baby purr. Told you.
Magic hands. Yeah, but you're only going to make a few £100. It's hardly worth the effort.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot how much of a big dog you are in the business world.
Hey, babe. Warren,
Grace?
do you fancy doing something tonight? Well, the club's closed, and I've got someone looking after Curtis.
Oh, sorry, babes. It's boys' night tonight.
Wow. So you are turning down a hot date to spend the evening with him.
Well, what can I tell you, bros before,
I dare you to finish that sentence.
Drinks are off, mate. Fergus wants me to go to Southampton, look at some property or something.
Now?
It's all yours. Hey, you could do a magic show for her.
Why you keep running after this Fergus anyway? I'm your business partner. That guy's a snake. He's already ripped off Brad.
And now he's stolen your best friend.
Behave.
Sides and floors disinfected. Windows shut. Cling film? No. No cling film. Unless...
You're supposed to be resting.
Tony! But I thought you'd be elbow deep in roulets and broulards by now.
Yeah, I forgot my pruning shears.
Oh, get carried away with your garnishing again. Well, you're not going to find them just stood there.
Diane, is something going on? I mean, your behaviour, the constant cleaning, insisting we take our shoes off.
Sorry, did you have an extra shot of coffee for breakfast or something?
Quarantining flowers, leaving newspaper by the door.
Where's all this coming from?
Verity told me that you covered the flat and cling film.
Honestly, your sister is more dramatic than our Scott. Okay, so I put some plastic on the seat because, well, I thought you were going to invite people back and, well, it was easier than cleaning the sofa.
Well, just the sofa?
Yes. Okay, so I've been a little bit OTT lately, but... well, what with you in the restaurant, Scott in the cafe, and the kids with their hands all over the playground? Tony, come on, I'm in my 3rd trimester.
Yeah, I know.
It's my job to keep him or her safe. Anyway, what do you think of the name Autumn or Ariella?
So this is all because of the virus. Because some of the stuff you've been fretting about, Verity thought might be something else.
How did she know? Well, maybe if your sister had ever had to look after anyone but herself, then maybe she'd understand.
Hey, that's not fair.
No, I'll tell you what's not fair. Me being attacked for trying to protect our family. Tony, I'm your wife. We're supposed to be a team.
We are.
Then show me some support.
Are you happy with how everything works? How does it feel?
Well, if you like, I could shove something up your nose.
Miss Betty's just trying to help. What do we do if she gets dizzy again?
She can hear you.
The oxygen should prevent that. But Sue is getting weaker, so it's vital she stays on top of her medication.
Oh, it's taxpayers' money. I mean, it's not like it's going to make me any better.
Mom,
You're right. Heart failure is irreversible. But it should help to make you more comfortable. She'll also need to rest that ankle. It can be very stressful looking after someone at your mum's stage of illness. She's going to become more and more dependent. If you think you'll struggle to cope...
Struggle? It's me that's being served last orders, not him.
We'll be fine.
Are we getting this taxi? Or shall I just die here? Because it would be more convenient.
get Mum home for me, yeah?
Luke, where are you going? Luke!